Hello. In this video, we will show you how to calculate the perimeter and area of a trapezium. First, we will explain the formulas you need, then we will look at where you can find trapezium shapes in the real world, and finally, we will go through a practical example of the calculation. A trapezium is a four-sided polygon, quadrilateral, with at least one pair of parallel sides. The parallel sides are called the bases, while the non-parallel sides are called the legs. Here are some key characteristics of trapeziums. Trapezium. A trapezium has only one pair of parallel sides. The length of the other two sides may be different, and the angles may not be equal. Isosceles trapezium. A special type of trapezium where the non-parallel sides, legs, are equal in length and the base angles are equal. This symmetry often leads to a more regular appearance. Right trapezium. A trapezium with one or two right angles. In a trapezium, the height, or altitude, is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides. But where can we find trapeziums in real life? In architecture, trapeziums appear in the design of roofs, stair steps, and bridges. In engineering, trapezoidal shapes are used in the construction of crane arms. In nature, trapeziums can be found in the structures of minerals and rocks. In everyday life, trapeziums are present in decorative elements, for example. How do we calculate the perimeter and area of a trapezium? To calculate the perimeter and area of a trapezium, trapezoid, you will need the following information: base lengths, the lengths of the two parallel sides, height, the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides, non-parallel sides, the lengths of the other two sides, if needed for the perimeter. The formula for calculating the perimeter of a trapezium is and the area. And now, let's calculate the perimeter and area of a trapezium with a practical example. We have parallel sides measuring 6 cm and 4 cm, non-parallel sides measuring 4 cm and 3 cm, and a height of 3 cm. The formula for calculating the perimeter of a trapezium is: we substitute the values into the formula. And now the area. The formula for calculating the area is For an accurate calculation of the perimeter and area, visit Formiax.com or click the link in the video description. I hope you have learned how to calculate the circumference and area of a rectangular shape. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.